It is for most people, but scientifically, it's the same thing. It's the same.
Well, you red stripes. Stripes ar ei gorffo, a wedyn...
This is...
A wedyn ar
He's an
ei...
expert.
Y melyn wedyn.
Yeah.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
He just has to hear and he can tell you all over the place.
It's backwards. I mean sideways, too.
But you ask him about tree or plants and stuff. Not too sure. To be that good.
It's quite difficult with schools to do ponds because schools are really...
Little mercury dogs, look, they chase each other, they do dances. Do you see them? For silver dots. I don't know, because somebody else has got the booklet.
Okay, there's more in here, there's more in the bucket.
Ti'n gormod o stwff yma na ti'n gorfod tynnu hwnna allan.
Oh,
get him out, oh my god!
Catfish lava. So on them.
Oh yeah, well yeah. Yndi, mae'n dod allan.
From other predators that are likely to
wow.
So it's not really a stick, I was lying. But
oh my god, that's amazing!
Oh, this is amazing what you've got here as well. Wyt ti wedi cael rhywbeth gwych hefyd?
Oh, is that a newt?
Ti wedi cael un?
Fyna?
Oh yeah, dyn bach ynddo, bit of tadpole, yeah. What's hwnna? Hwnna fyna?
Be?
Peth bloody fatha, mae o'n see-through. Like a ghost thing. What do you do? Yeah, na ti'n mynd yn ar y llaw.
Ydy hwnna? Be?
Mae yna creatures bach. We'll try and find a few more creatures and then we'll get the records done. Mae beth yn crawling in fanna. That's the caddisfly.
Oh god, yeah?
The caddisfly one. There's another one there. There's a baby caddisfly.
Oh, yeah, well done.
A little caddisfly. Mae'n fascinating, right? Plant a goedolion. A ti'n mynd gwybod beth ti'n mynd i ffindio. Da ni heb ffindio dragonfly ladders. Ie, mae hwnna ydy'r un i hwnna.
Wow.
What is that?
It's a caseless caddisfly, but it's not one of those without its case. It's just a different species.
Right, okay.
You've got a baby worm thing there.
Hwnna fanna?
No, next to it.
Oh god, yeah. That tiny little thing there.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Things like midges, ti'n bo?
Oh yeah, of course.
They have larvae, mosquito.